The less you innovate, the better your chances of making money. This statement may seem counterintuitive in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, where innovation is often viewed as the holy grail of success. However, statistics show a different reality. Nearly 70% of startups fail within their first 10 years, primarily due to overcomplicated models, disruptive ambitions, and high-risk innovation strategies. While creativity and disruption are lauded, they are far from the easiest paths to $1 million. In fact, simple and stable SS business models offer a low-risk, high-reward alternative for those looking to build wealth without betting on unproven ideas. These businesses are time-tested and revolve around meeting consistent, everyday needs, offering steady profits without the volatility that comes with high-risk ventures. One of the most lucrative, low-risk business ideas is leasing event supplies. The demand for event supplies never wanes, thanks to the year-round occurrence of weddings, corporate functions, birthday parties, and festivals. Profits in this sector come from renting out event infrastructure, like tables, chairs, photo booths, and tents. These items tend to have low depreciation, meaning your initial investment will last for years while continuously generating income. With the ongoing need for event infrastructure and the relatively low maintenance costs, leasing event supplies can become a highly profitable and stable business model, especially with the right marketing and customer service approach. Another SS business model that can yield consistent profits is offering flooring services for multifamily residential buildings, such as apartments and condos. These high-traffic buildings require frequent flooring maintenance and replacement due to wear and tear. By focusing on cost-effective and durable flooring solutions, you can secure repeat business from property managers and building owners. Establishing long-term relationships with these clients is crucial, as they often need reliable vendors for recurring projects. Once you've built a reputation for quality and reliability, this type of business can deliver predictable long-term profits with relatively low overhead. Self-storage is a booming industry, with a straightforward business model that offers high profit margins and minimal daily management. Rather than selling products, you're selling space, a simple yet effective solution for people with too much stuff and too little room. Self-storage units require little hands-on involvement once the property is set up and rented out, and they tend to have long-term renters, ensuring consistent cash flow. Additionally, this business offers flexibility in terms of investment size, as units can range from small, single-story buildings to large complexes. Location is key to maximizing returns, but once established, this business can provide significant passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Asphalt and seal coating companies represent another simple high-demand business with the potential for strong returns. Property owners, both residential and commercial, regularly need asphalt repairs and maintenance to preserve their driveways and parking lots. The beauty of this business lies in its low competition and relatively few jobs needed to generate high returns. Startup costs for the necessary tools and equipment are moderate, and the investment can be quickly recovered through even a few well-paying contracts. Property maintenance is essential and ongoing, meaning clients will frequently require your services, creating a steady flow of income. Art has long been regarded as a stable investment, especially for those who take a long-term view. Unlike stocks or bonds, high-end artwork often appreciates over time, making it a solid asset for building wealth. While many assume that art investment requires millions, breaking into the high-end market is more accessible than ever, thanks to new platforms. Fractional art investment, through companies like Masterworks, allows investors to buy shares of iconic pieces, diversifying their portfolio without the steep upfront cost of acquiring an entire artwork. This business model leverages the increasing global demand for fine art while offering financial flexibility and potential long-term rewards. As the global population continues to age, the demand for senior care services is rising exponentially. Long-term care facilities, home health care services, and assisted living arrangements represent a growing market with consistent, reliable income streams. Much of the revenue in this industry comes from families and government programs, offering financial stability. However, this industry is highly regulated, requiring a strong administrative focus to navigate legal and healthcare requirements. Despite these challenges, senior care remains a profitable and rewarding business that taps into one of the fastest-growing demographics, ensuring consistent demand for years to come. Landscaping is another SS business with consistent demand, regardless of whether the job involves a single homeowner or a large municipality. The scalability of this business lies in securing contracts with homeowners associations, corporate clients, or city parks, ensuring a steady flow of work across different seasons. While the job size may vary, the need for lawn care, tree trimming, and landscape design remains constant, making it a reliable source of income. The key to success in this industry is building relationships with long-term clients who require regular maintenance services, providing predictable, recurring revenue. Plumbing services are essential, meaning the demand for skilled plumbers never fades. From routine maintenance to emergency repairs, this profession offers a steady stream of work. The beauty of plumbing businesses lies in the relatively low startup costs and the consistent need for services, especially in response to emergencies. Homeowners and businesses alike rely on quick, reliable plumbing solutions. Customer satisfaction is paramount, as word-of-mouth recommendations and positive online reviews are often the lifeblood of marketing in this industry. With a small initial investment, plumbing businesses can grow quickly, especially if they focus on providing high-quality, responsive service. Tree trimming is a niche business with surprisingly low competition, primarily due to the physical nature of the job and the potential risks, such as working at significant heights. However, the seasonality of the work is offset by spikes in demand, especially after storms or natural disasters. Urgent jobs often come with premium pricing, particularly when there's a need for rapid cleanup and restoration. With the right equipment and a skilled crew, tree trimming businesses can generate significant income with relatively few clients. The potential for recurring work, especially in disaster-prone areas, adds to the stability of this business model. Window cleaning is another industry with relatively low competition but steady demand. Entrepreneurs who get into the window cleaning business often find quick success due to the essential yet overlooked nature of the service. The industry is experiencing growth, particularly in urban areas where commercial and residential high-rises require regular maintenance. Some young entrepreneurs have built thriving businesses by starting small and expanding through strong customer relationships. The key to success in window cleaning lies in scalability, growing without overwhelming yourself by investing in the right tools and building a reliable team to manage larger contracts. While junk and waste removal may not seem glamorous, it presents a significant opportunity for financial success in an industry that continues to grow steadily. With low startup costs and minimal overhead, a junk removal business can quickly scale to generate substantial profits. Some owners report earnings of up to $1.4 million per year. This business offers flexibility, as you can specialize in specific types of junk, such as construction debris or electronic waste, or provide a wide range of services to cover everything from household cleanouts to large-scale commercial removals. The constant demand for clearing out old or unwanted items ensures a steady stream of work, making this an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking for a stable and profitable venture. The trucking industry offers another reliable path to wealth, especially for those who can identify and serve niche markets. One inspiring example is of a young entrepreneur who built a profitable trucking business by focusing on refrigerated freight, an area with consistent demand due to the need for temperature-controlled shipping of perishable goods. Specializing in such a niche allows trucking companies to differentiate themselves and command higher rates. While the trucking industry can be impacted by supply chain disruptions and market volatility, the potential earnings, particularly in high-demand areas, can be enormous. For those willing to navigate the risks, the rewards can be significant. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe.